Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly our contact list, so the number we've got currently saved, or we can do it using, let's say, the settings, and of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with the contacts. Let's enter the contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on this info icon. Now let's tap on more, and as you can see here we've got the block contact option, so let's tap, and as you can see your device is informing you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this contact, so just tap on block. And as you can see right here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just blocked this number. Of course we can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recent or keypad. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. As you can see, block numbers are at the very top of the list, so let's enter. And this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went fine, we successfully blocked a number. As you can see right here we've got also the contacts, but blocking a number using this way is slightly different from the one I've shown you. And unfortunately I will not be able to show you how it works because I do have only one contact on my list. But basically it means here you will be able to block a lot of contacts in with one click actually. So you will be able to mark the contacts you would like to block, and simply after that tap on done, and all of them will appear on the blacklist. So that's much easier if you want to block a lot of contacts. Of course you can do it from the recents, and here you can add a phone number manually, which means that you do not have to save it on your contacts. Just tap on it, enter the number and tap on this plus icon, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that of course it is blocked. What's more, we've got the option to block unknown or private numbers, and so you can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to this your device will be allowed to block the numbers which are not saved on your device. So of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So basically if you want to unblock the number, all you have to do is to simply tap on this minus icon, and as you can see you do not even have to confirm. Just tap on the minus icon and it will disappear, which of course means that it is unblocked. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy M53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.